Hey everyone, so in this video, I'll show you how to log into Gmail without using a password. This is the full guide for 2026, and yeah, this works using Google's built-in security options. First, open your browser and go to gmail.com. Click on Sign In to start the login process. Now enter your Gmail email address and click Next. Instead of typing a password, we'll use an alternative sign-in method. On the password screen, look for the option that says Try another way. Click that to see different password-free login options. If you have your phone linked to your Google account, you'll get a notification. Simply tap Yes on your phone to approve the sign-in. Yeah, it's that simple. If you don't get a notification, Google may send a security code by text message or email. Enter the code on the screen to continue. You can also log in using backup codes or a security key if those are set up on your account. These options are useful if your phone isn't nearby. Once verification is complete, you'll be logged into your Gmail inbox without ever typing a password. To use password-free login smoothly, keep your recovery phone and email updated. Also, avoid using this method on public or shared computers. And yeah, that's how to log in to Gmail without a password in 2026. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next guide.